In a truly modern kitchen, the countertop can be more than just a place to prepare meals. It can also be a powerful cooking surface. With Invisacook, that idea becomes reality. This revolutionary system combines advanced technology, refined design, and everyday practicality, transforming the way a kitchen looks and functions. Invisacook takes induction cooking to a whole new level by being completely hidden beneath the countertop, keeping the space clean, elegant, and free of visible appliances. It is designed to be installed on ceramic slabs with a thickness of 12 or 20 millimeters, ensuring both durability and seamless integration into any modern kitchen design. When it's not in use, the surface remains smooth and uninterrupted, perfect for preparing meals, decorating, or even dining. With a single touch, it becomes a high-performance cooking zone. The unit is operated via a display controller, most commonly installed in the drawer beneath the cooktop, although it can be placed in other convenient locations as well. The system uses advanced induction technology to heat the cookware directly, while the countertop stays cool to the touch. Discreetly installed beneath the surface, it stays invisible until activated. Place compatible cookware on the designated cooking area with the Invisa and electromagnetic energy transfers heat straight to the pan for precise and efficient cooking. Safe, elegant, and practical, Invisacook is the perfect fit for today's kitchen lifestyle.